Let's create a schedule in SafetyCulture. Schedules automate your recurring work, so inspections run on time, every time, without you manually tracking them. Daily checks, monthly reviews, weekly audits, set them up once, and Schedules handles the rest. All of that starts with creating a schedule. Before we build anything, one question. Is this schedule tied to a specific site or asset? Yes? That's a site or asset schedule. Site schedules are for inspections that belong to a location. Think a daily safety walk across your construction sites. Asset schedules are for inspections that follow a piece of equipment, like a weekly maintenance check across your fleet of forklifts. No site, no asset? That's a user schedule, best for recurring work assigned to specific people, like a monthly quality check for your hospitality team. That's the framework. Let's build each one. To follow along, you'll need the schedule's create permission. Ready? Let's start with the site schedule. Head to Schedules, or find it under More. Hit Create Schedule. First up, our construction team. They run a daily safety walk across 3 sites. Give your schedule a title, then select your template. In the Details section, choose Sites as your schedule type. Select your sites. We'll grab all 3. The moment you do, each site gets its own subschedule, all managed from this one parent. Any change you make to the parent schedule applies to all 3 sites at once. Now assign your team. We'll use a group so any member of the safety team can complete the schedule. Then set the completion requirement. For a safety walk, only one assignee needs to complete per site. For time zones, you've got 3 options. Your account time zone applies one time zone to all assignees. Custom lets you manually select any time zone, useful when everyone's working to one fixed schedule. Site time zone is the one we want here. It uses each site's own time zone, so the safety walk kicks off at 9 a.m. local time in Kansas City, Bentonville, and Denver, all independently. If you're using this option, make sure each site has a time zone set. Next, set your duration, when the inspection becomes available and when it's due. For our daily safety walk, it opens at 8 a.m. and closes at 5 p.m. Then set your frequency. Every day, every weekday, weekly, monthly, annually, or build a custom schedule entirely. We'll go with every day. Late completion is on by default. Keep it on or toggle it off if your compliance window is tighter. Before you save, check the summary, frequency, duration, time zone, all confirmed in one place. Happy with everything? Hit save. Back in your schedule list, each subschedule is visible in the Activity tab. Each status right there. Now the same creation flow, this time for assets. The warehouse team needs a weekly inspection across their forklifts. Select assets as your schedule type. One thing to note, your template needs to include an asset question. Select your assets. We'll filter to show only our forklifts. Then select them all. Then select the assignees. We'll use our technicians group. For time zone, select Assets Site Time Zone. Each inspection fires at the right local time, based on where that asset lives. Set your duration, frequency, and any other timing details. Same controls as before. Once everything looks right in the summary section, time to save. Make a change later, and it flows to every unit. Scale that to thousands of assets if you need to. Same process. And finally, the user schedule. Here it is in action. A hospitality group running monthly service quality checks. 3 mystery shoppers, no fixed site or asset involved. Select users as your type. Assign your 3 shoppers. Since everyone needs to submit their own, select all assignees must complete their own. Then work through your timing. Set the time zone, duration, and frequency. Same controls as before. Check the summary, then save. Once a schedule is assigned, your team sees their upcoming work in a calendar view and can start inspections directly from there, available on web and mobile. Need a progress check? Hit the Activity tab for a full picture across all your schedules. Filter by status, date, or schedule and see exactly where things stand. Sites, assets, users, every type of recurring work covered. To go deeper on schedules, search Create Schedules in our Help Center. Everything you need is there. Head to help.safetyculture.com.